Rosena Ranch is a charming master-planned community that offers 3 new communities with access to resort-style amenities. The community is surrounded by 386 acres of natural beauty and rural hillside views in a perfect location for your family. Located near major freeways and popular entertainment areas, Rosena Ranch is the perfect place for you and your family to call home. The Rosena Ranch Recreation Center offers your family a state-of-the-art facility with a junior Olympic swimming pool, kids splash park, clubhouse, and fitness center. Newly expanded, the recreation center now includes a beach entry pool, spa, picnic area, with barbecues and more. The fitness center also has been expanded to include a weight room, yoga room, and kids room. Along with these amenities, the walking trails along the park and throughout the community, as well as the sports park, ensure you and your family will love the home you find at Rosena Ranch.